Good morning all. Cash strapped and time to buy. That sounds a bit strange, doesn't it? But it really is something to consider, that if you're struggling to save up a deposit, you're living in a property where you're paying rent. So because you're paying rent, you just never get to saving, you're just never moving forward. Consider buying into a new development. If you bought a property, about 8 to 10% of the cost, depending on price of course, is going into transfer costs. Some to the government and some to legal fees. And with new developments, this is very often included in the price. So you need very little to be able to buy into a new development other than a good credit rating and affordability. Because obviously, once the property registers in your name, you will move into it if you are this type of purchaser. So if you're a type of purchaser that is renting and you're cash strapped and you really want to get your feet into the water with real estate, then consider investing like this. Consider looking at a new development, 5% deposit, and sometimes developers, the new trend today is developers are allowing you to pay off the deposit, which is really great. It's a really good way of also helping you save. And then when the development registers, you can consider moving in yourself. Because you're paying rent, you might as well move into your own home. Why pay rent and never own a brick? Happy investing.